Lip off, decoding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, lip off. Ever come across it and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding. When we break down the words, we get lip, the soft movable part at the opening of the mouth. Off, a preposition indicating separation or removal. However, English is funny. Combining these words doesn't give a literal translation. This is why it's essential to look at the idiomatic meaning. In slang or informal English, to lip off means to talk back or to speak rudely to someone, especially when it's not warranted. It's like giving someone lip in a defiant or disrespectful manner. Example, she didn't appreciate when her son would lip off to her in front of his friends. Here, it implies that the son was talking back or being rude to his mother. Though the exact origins of lip off aren't definitively known, it's likely an extension of the phrase, give someone lip, which has a similar meaning. Over time, language evolves, and newer variations of phrases emerge. Lip off might be one of those modern spins. While lip off is more common in North American English, it might not be as widely recognized in other parts of the world. So, if you're using this phrase, 1. Ensure your audience understands the context. 2. Be cautious using it in formal settings, as it's considered slang. There you have it. The next time you hear someone mention lip off, you'll know they're talking about someone speaking back or being a bit cheeky. English is filled with these fun idiomatic expressions, and understanding them can make conversations even more vibrant. Hope you found this explainer useful. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of the English language.